Not looking forward to this job of transforming this into my chicken coop. I'm not tackling it yet. Won't be looking for chickens until next week. Might be another a little road trip. There's particular chickens that I want to get. And I don't know if I showed you. I did a video on this thing too. This was my I don't know what this would call it. I did it as sort of a rake, but it's almost like a it's almost like a cultivator, and it worked great. The only thing is I have to come back here and drill holes through there, put carriage bolts in there, and the weight system, and it's got to be bolted on too. That's a little invention I made. Works really good. I'll probably be using this really soon because I want to cultivate this area. I'm going to bring the deep plow in here, maybe, and then I'll bring in the harrow disc, the cultivator. Get this area here ready for some fall crops. Okay, today I'm working on irrigation. Now last week I did this video on using these soakers. I found these soakers on sale for $4.99 a piece, and they're 40 footers or 50 feet, something like that. But it's like, you know, a condensated pipe or something. It's just like it's not working right, and I think I'm gonna have to take these all out and maybe drill holes in there or something. Let's experiment with that. But I'll see, not too much. Well, corn is up, but it's really kind of sparse. So I have some more seeds that I probably should plant. But anyway, today's the irrigation day. Then I came up with this stuff, and this was also $4.99. And this irrigation system. And let me see what it's at here. I got this one apart and ready to install this one. This one here. There it is. It's the starter set. And it's made basically to be, it's a micro drip system. It's made basically to be installed underground. So I'm going to install it overground. Oh, it's okay. It's to be a drip line. It can be installed above or below. So that's cool. So let me get this going. And see the beans. Oh, the beans are coming up, but it's going to have to be weeded. So I'm going to have to take this cloth out of here, work out something different. I don't know. Well, okay, let me start on this thing. First of all, you have to roll the soaker holes up and get this out of the way. I don't even think that I did a video after the pump was running, got the pump connected and running. Didn't do that. So yeah, we do have water. Pump is working good. Got a lot of pressure back there. It's a 3/4 horse, but it's pumping with a lot of pressure to over 200 feet. Well, on my way back, see how the system is going to work. This could be either buried underground or it can be overground. It's the strip system, and even though it looks like we're going to get a big downpour, I've been fooled before. Like yesterday, it looked quite a bit worse than this. And Didn't get much rain. Is anything coming out yet? I got to turn the valve on, I think. There's a little valve. There's a valve there somewhere, yeah. Oh, boy, it's humid. Very humid. And it is thundering. There's Honeybee. She's back here again. She's a trooper, even though chicks seem to like her more than me. Okay. Okay, I'm going to hand you the camera. And I'm going to try to turn this on and see what happens. You got it?
Yep. Nothing's not coming up.
Nothing.
Just a little bit. Oh, for Christ's
I don't know how
sake.
this is supposed to work. Oh, there we go.
Whoa.
It's a quick connect. But again, we're there with a drip system that's...
How's it supposed to take care of?
It's supposed to totally allow
right.
for the... It's not what it is, it's not, this isn't
What we think it was.
It's not a valve. Control it. Should be. I don't know, is this something that you leave running for a while? It's not really a sprinkler. Yeah, it's different. All the way around. It works.
Yeah.
But it's something like you just leave on overnight.
Guess we might have to try it, hon.
Yeah, you leave it out overnight. I'll probably, if we get the rain like it rains, that's just going to rain. And it's working as just like, working like the soaker. Just like the soaker. Probably just a little bit better. Well, this isn't, the soaker just, it was like condensate. This is actually has water dripping, so this is probably working a little bit better. And probably when we come out here, then we can get it set up so let it run for 8 hours or so. It wouldn't, I don't know if the well would run continuously doing that. But see, there doesn't seem to be any holes right here.
Nope, very little. See?
And it picks it up over here. Well, I don't know.
I'm trying to look for that tomato.
I might have to rework this.
What's coming up here?
Anyway, one of these.
Look at all these flowers coming up. There's some here.
We're routing right to the routing looks okay, as long as we get enough to hold it down so it doesn't tear the plant up. But the rest of it.
Careful.
The pressure was so high, it knocked the end of this soaker off. You gotta fix that one. That got hit. This pump has a lot of pressure. We're pushing over 200 feet. Look at the pressure back here. They have to do the end off of this soaker. They have to put gonna have to get I'd have to go and get another plant to put on this, believe it or not. Okay, I'll figure out how I'm gonna route this here.
You know what?
What?
It's going to start raining any minute now.
Yeah, when it doesn't, I'll turn it off. I gotta do some more planning back here.
You want to stay here while it rains? You want me to leave the? You want me to leave this on?
It isn't raining yet. Yeah.
You want me to leave this on?
I just want to put the corn.
Ryan's gonna be so excited. Ryan's gonna be so. I wish I took my phone back here so I could show him pictures of it.
I can show him on my video.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm kind of crossing it. I don't think there's any corn here yet, but there might be.
What's coming up?
Yeah. Okay, nothing's stuck there.
What about here? Here, right here.
Where?
There's corn, right here.
Is that a corn? Is that a
Yep.
weed?
No, that's a corn.
Yeah, it is.
Here, here's corn.
Yeah, we gotta move this over so it soaks better.
Here's corn coming up. Wow.
Yeah, we're gonna have to probably. Here, I don't want to hit one of the corn, but we're gonna have to move this over. This is really good for corn, considering that corn is like
Yeah, it's working for the corn.
Likes a lot of
It's
water.
not doing too much for other ones.
Yeah.
Dripping here and there. How many? It's me. It's
It's like
worse.
something you can't use anyway because it's got to be plowed at the end of the season. But, you know, I had that soaker running before and all day, and there was parts, some of these that didn't even get touched.
See?
So, man, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the splitter on here and split it.
God, we got beans all over the place on this. Look.
Yeah, I know, they need to be watered. I'm just going to water them now, just in case it doesn't.
I would.
Huh?
I would.
Yeah. We can try this as an alternate, as a mid-bean thing, like if we're here during the day, and
Here, take
we
over.
can just run. Yeah, if we're here during the day, we'll just run this soaker and try it out again. I'm not too impressed with these things.
On.
What?
I'm going up front.
Yeah, go ahead. We left the walkie-talkies at home, right?
Yeah, why, are you going to do anything back here?
I'm gonna clean up this a little bit. I'm gonna plant.
Oh, you
I'm gonna
are?
plant some radishes and stuff here.
Today?
Yeah.
I'm going to stay back.
Actually, more cucumbers. I should get another tub.
My phone.
Get another tub. Okay, folks. Thanks for watching and commenting and subscribing. I mean, there's not that many of you. But this time, I'd like to give a shout out to my MIDI band channel, where I have over 200 videos, close to 200, since 2012. Stuff that you might like. I'm renovating our 150-year-old home, and there's a lot of how-to videos, and I got some car videos and things in there. But for now, thanks for watching and commenting, and please comment and subscribe.